Macedon. Okay, is Macedon, guys. Macedon. So what we need is this two. And of course a bowl. Where's a bowl? Bowl, the bowl. This and this. There. So we need this and a tuna, Duton, and what else? All we need is this one and this one and strainer. We have 3 ingredients. So we have 4, guys. I got 1 Persian and shallot vinegar and a tuna, Duton. And of course, this is what we call the Macedon. So we will be preparing this and I will show you the outcome, guys. So all we need to do is to have a bowl, a strainer, and this too. Merry Christmas to you, Happy New Year to you. Well, let's do this. It's quite cold outside today. So guys, this is a canned food. Let's drain a little bit. But guys, once it is canned food, it's obviously it's not healthy. But as far as I know, one way to remove the carcinogen is to warm the canned food, like let it warm it in a casserole, not in the microwave, to let the carcinogen fume, or how will you call it, like evaporate it. Well, if you want to know, just do your own research, guys. Okay, so what's next? We're able to drain it. So we drain it, guys. This is the outcome. So normally it should be warm, but since the request, guys, is not to warm it, I cannot do anything. So I just leave it that way. But if it is my choice, obviously I will warm it and let it let the carcinogen or the preservatives evaporate it through heating. So what's next is we have like this. Now we will add our vinegar. Shake, 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 kaboom, shake, 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 kaboom. So this one is mixed with the eshallot. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored video. Everything is bought from the store. So let's add the vinaigrette. Shout out to all my channel members. Foodman Paul Vlogs, Alan Cabato of Canada, Elenfro Virgo of Manila, and of course I would like to make a special thanks to Jan Bunbin of Netherlands, I think. Yeah, Jan Bunbin. And also Marlix Journey and Lolito World Tracker. So guys, thank you all so much for joining in my channel for a quite long time. So guys, thank you so much, and from the bottom of my heart I would like to say thank you so much, because it's we are now celebrating another birthday of our channel. So thank you so much once again. Okay, we will let this drain, guys, because there were still remaining. So now it looks like this. Now what we will add is our Persiad. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. So this one is a mix of, from the word Persiad, it's a mix of parsley and a garlic. And more, I think more. But basically it's garlic and a parsley. Okay, so we'll add this to add flavor. How's your New Year? How's everybody? Shout out to you, 1 million viewers. How many are you there? You are French. No, actually, I'm a Filipino. But I'm living here in France. Yeah. How about you? Bonsoir. 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 Bonsoir à tous. Merci beaucoup. Let's have dinner. C'est l'heure de manger. On va préparer les macédoines. Escuchamos de macédoine. Bonsoir à tous et merci beaucoup d'être venus ici dans mon live. Bonjour, bonsoir. Okay. Attends un petit peu. Au moins une trentaine de personnes accusées, je cite, de troubles à l'ordre public. Côté manifestants aussi, explosion de la violence, incendie contre des collaborateurs, jet de pierre, des banques, tout ce qui représente le pouvoir. Now we will garnish a little bit of the parsley, just to have a little green on the top. Que les postes du régime sont pris le plus facilement, selon lui, c'est d'une stratégie visant à isoler les grands pouvoirs centrales et les plus forts. So these foods, for those of you who are not living in France, if you don't know what is Macédoine, this food is usually paired with it's quite big. So this is our baguette. Kasumbong. So this is the baguette here in France. How would you like that? Okay. So I'm showing you now. This is the Macédoine. And this is our bread. So let's prepare. And I will just like to slice this into 4. There were people I was able to hear, like here in France, they don't slice this one, the bread. They usually do it by hand. Is that true, guys? If you are coming from France, would you agree? I was able to read one time that when you break this one, you don't need to slice. You just do it by hand, just break it by hand. But here I use the knife. So I would like to make into 4. I will see. So this is our dinner. Simple as that. No hassle. Then I would like to make a big shout out to who are here. Oh, Zilla V! Happy New Year, Dai! Happy New Year, diha sis. Mars 26. You are French? Of course not. I'm a Bisaya. I'm from Philippines. And so nice to meet you. Guaps. Happy New Year, diha, Guaps. Pag-andam kong panihapon. Ha? I'll finish the live, guys, because I'm about to have a dinner now. Bye.